Hello friends, welcome to my channel Traders Edge for Success. Today's topic is all you need to know about candlesticks. Before you start your trading career, you must be aware of how to recognize a candlestick, and this is the basic thing you must be aware of. So let's go in this video with identify candles on chart by its strength and importance of doji candlesticks. So first of all, identification of candlestick. As you can see in this photo that there is two basic candle, one represented as a bearish one and another represented as a bullish one. So generally the color portion of these candles are represented as body, and the shadow portion which left behind and above the candle is represented as wick of the candlestick. So body range in candles indicates the strength of the candle, whether how strong it is bullish or bearish. So we can represent it by its body. And wicks are the generally rejection of price on the candlesticks before and after open and close price. So now let's go with the candlestick strength. So the first three candle represents bullish strength in the market. It means low pressure from selling side, and bulls in market is stronger at that time. After that, on fourth one, you can see that there is a proper rejection behind and above the candle body. That means the candle is showing partially bullish strength on the market. After that, in the fifth and sixth candle, you can recognize that there is a proper rejection due to selling pressure, and it is where there is more probability that if the trend is upward, it might get reversed to a downward direction because of selling pressure showing in these candlesticks. Same on the bearish trend, the first three candle indicates a strong selling strength, and on the fourth one, because of that pressure above and below the candle body, it represents a partially selling strength in the market. And last two, with the proper rejection due to buying pressure, it's showing that the market have very weak bearish trend, and there is a probability that from this candle market can reverse to upward direction. So now further let's discuss about doji candlesticks. You guys have observed these types of candlestick on chart many times, but what actually this candle tells us? You can see that these candles have very low portion of body and high pressure from buying and selling side. So doji candle indicates that there is a pressure from both the side, from buying as well as selling. Here is where market condition get crucial for the trend continuous or reversal edge. So that means that market is unknown or uncertain. So before I show you some real example on chart, I want to discuss you these two types of doji candles. One is dragonfly and another is gravestone. You can see that both the candles have high pressure from opposite side. The first one, in a downtrend, there is a high buying pressure, and the candle have left very little body on the top of it and have proper selling rejection because of buying pressure. So when you observe these types of candles on chart, there is a higher probability that a downtrend may convert into an uptrend. Same as well as for the gravestone, if there is a buying trend continuous going, and if you can recognize this type of candle with selling pressure, and after that there is a higher probability that market can convert it into a downtrend. So let me show you some real example on chart. So this is my favorite stock Tesla, which I use for my day trading career, and on March 2nd you can see the candle which have proper rejection from due to buying pressure, and this candle converted into a bullish trend. After that you can see the second candle which also represented that 100% buying strength on this candle. So while recognizing these first two candles on the chart, you can plan buying trade from here, because on starting these two candle indicates that there is a high volume of buying in the market with very little or none rejection from selling pressure. So if you guys have planned this trade from here, like from 395, You can see that after that the market followed the uptrend till 403, almost $8 move after that. So okay, so here is where there is a resistance line in the market, and you can see that. So here is where there is a resistance line in the market, and you can see after market opens above from the previous day close, but due to resistance pressure from here, there is a rejection on both the candle, like candle second and candle 3 faces the rejection due to selling pressure. Okay, let's wait if you don't. So after that you can see on a fourth candle that market have a strong bearish strength showing in this candle. So if you follow this candle formation, like because of resistance there is a rejection on second and third candle, and on fourth candle it's forming with strong bearish strength. If you can plan your trade from here, like sorting the stock with some stop loss, you can follow, you can see that market follow the sorting downtrend. Market follow the downtrend from here, like 430 to almost 415. So $15 fall on the same day. So you can recognize this candle earlier on the chart. You can plan your trade accordingly. So let me show you some more example of doji candlesticks, how it works in the market conditions. So you can see on, like there is a support line over here, and even market opens negative from the previous day high, but because of this support line you can see like there is a rejection due to buying pressure on couple of candles on the day, and third and fourth candle is forming as a doji because of buying pressure. Market is not letting the price goes down, and after that you can see the fifth candle which represented a strong bullish strength candle. So after that, like if you plan your trade while recognizing these candlesticks, like a buying position with some optimum stop loss behind this previous candle, you can follow that market from 395.50 and it went till 402, so almost $7 more after this rejection from support. So if you can recognize candles earlier, you can plan your trade easily. So that's what I mean in this video. So the last example I want to tell you to identify candlesticks, like there is support at 383 on Tesla, and you can recognize here like proper dragonfly doji which I had shown you below in this video. Like after forming a dragonfly doji candle, market trend get reversed from downward to upward, and price of the stock moved from 383 to almost 401 on the same day. So almost $17 move after the proper rejection and dragonfly doji formation candle on the chart. So the understanding of candlestick is important because many times like candlesticks tell us like what actually market is doing. Even market have some specific trend or not, or market is having pressure from buying or selling side. So yeah, identification of candlestick is one of the most important thing you must be aware of in a trading journey. Thank you for watching this video. Join us for more videos. Make your trading journey simple and easy. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos where you can make your trading journey easy.